Before moving forward, I would like to tell you that if you are facing any issue in the video wise, then maybe it is due to YouTube audio dubbing. So you have to choose one of these options if you are facing any issue in the video wise.
Hello everyone. Today I am providing you admission information about a private university in Italy. The university name is LUIC Business University, and they have two different departments. One is economics and management, and the other is industrial engineering. In both departments, they offer bachelor and master degree programs to the international students. So first we check the master students because the procedure for master admission is simple. So click here on master for economics and management. Scroll down and here you will see that they have different courses available for in English, like entrepreneurship and innovation, which is in English. Then the international business management is in English, and the other four courses are available in Italian. So the process for master degree program is very simple. You have to click here, request career assessment, and here you have to provide simple your biodata, your name, your surname, your email ID, your date of birth, and your telephone number, then the name of your university where you have done your bachelor degree. Then here you have to select the degree in which you want to apply, and then the current degree year if you have completed or the final year, and then if you have already degree or not, if you have already completed your degree or not. Then here you have to choose, as I told you that these two courses are departments are available. So if you are applying in economics and management, then take the first one, and if you are applying in the engineering sector, then click the next. Similarly, choose your country. Then here you have to write the province if you are not from Italy, if from abroad. So similarly, here you have to choose your academic in which you are interested for know the academic year 26 and 27, and then here you have to only select these two boxes, and here you have to write the study in which you are interested. So choose English, and then tick this box and click on the submit. So they will assess your data and provide you more information about the admission process. So this is a very simple procedure to start admission process at this university. Similarly, we can check for industrial engineering. Click on master degree program and then scroll down, and you will see that all the flags with this British, all the courses with this British flag are in English. For example, manufacturing strategy, then the sustainability and circular economy. These courses are in Italian, and then so two courses. One is manufacturing strategy and the sustainability and circular economy. These two courses are available in English, and similarly the procedure is same. You have to click here, request a career assessment, and you have to fill this basic form if you want to apply for master degree at this university. Now we check for the bachelor degree courses. So first we check the economics and management. So click on bachelor. So scroll down and you will see that all courses with this British flag are in English. First is business economics, then business analytics for management, and for the admission you have to click on these links. As you can see that admission test for bachelor in economics, admission test for bachelor in engineering. So first we check also the bachelor degree courses available in industrial engineering. So click here on the bachelor. Scroll down and you will see that the operational excellence in industry, this one program is available which is in English for international students, and there are other two courses are in Italian language. So the admission procedure is same. If you want to apply in economics, so click here on admission test for bachelor in economics, and here you will see that they have written that 450 places are available, and out of 450, 90 are reserved for courses taught entirely in English, and 60 for business economics, 30 for business analytics for management. So as I told you that 2 courses in business economics are available. So out of 90 seats, 60 are reserved for business economics course and 30 are reserved for business analytics for management. And here they have mentioned the requirements that you have to take. Similarly, they have mentioned the SAT test and AC test, and if you want to apply, you have to click here. You have to follow the procedure. And what is the procedure? You have to register yourself online on this website, which is university website, and there is also a fees for the test. So they have mentioned that there is a fees of €100. This fees is only for bachelor degree program, because they have to evaluate your test. So as I told you at the start that the procedure for master degree program is simple, but the procedure for bachelor degree program is little bit complicated, because you have to fulfill these requirements. Then you have to complete these tests, and similarly you have to pay the fees to appear in these tests. So if you have a good financial condition, then you should consider this university, because the chance of your admission is very high. So there are 3 courses are available, 2 in economics management, economics department, and 1 is in industrial engineering. So if you want to apply for, if you want to reserve for the test for the bachelor degree program, you have to follow these procedure. For example, first you have to create your first you have to do registration, and then here you have to go here in the menu and go to the registration. You have to do the registration. You will get username and password, and after completing the registration, you have to open this menu again, and then after creating username and password, you have to log in here and just simply follow then these instructions. After login, in the third step, you have to go to the access the application procedure via the secretariat. There will be a tab of secretariat, and under the secretariat you have to go click on the admission test link, and then you have to follow the procedure. You have to fill the application form, and at the end you have to pay €100 fees to book your test for this bachelor degree program. So if you have any question, you can write in the comment box.